How to change password in Instagram if you forgot it on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change password in Instagram if you forgot it in iPhone. First, open Instagram from your home screen. Next, go to your main page by selecting the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Menu on the top right. Select Settings from the menu here. Here, log out of your account. From the page that appears, you have to select Login to another account. After this, enter your username and email address here. Now select Forgot Password. Here, enter your username and select Find Account. Doing so will send a link to your Gmail account. So from web browser, go to Gmail. Now open the email sent to you by Instagram that contains your password reset. After this, tap on Reset Your Password. Log out of other devices as well. Now set a new password here. So by following this instructions manual, you can change password in Instagram if you forgot it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.